Hi, my name is Cynthia Holt, and I'm in the Garden Center at Rockingham Cooperative Ace Hardware in Troutville, Virginia. Today we're going to show you how to divide perennials. Now, perennials are plants that live 3 to 5 years or more, and every 3 or 4 years you might need to divide them. But why might you need to divide them? They can die out in the center as they get really large, especially the matte clumping forms such as the daylilies that we're going to show you how to divide today. Another reason to divide your perennials is you want good air circulation around your plants, and that'll help prevent disease. Or maybe your plant has just kind of outgrown the space that it's growing in and you need to downsize the plant. And then there's my favorite reason to divide perennials, and that's to make more plants. So a good rule of thumb as to when you should make your divisions: if it is a spring or summer blooming plant, then you want to divide in the fall. If it's a fall blooming plant, then you want to divide in the spring as soon as you start to see new growth emerging from the ground. The first thing you need to do is cut back any dead stems so you can clearly see the edges of the plant. Dig around the drip line, which is the edge of the plant. Dig at an angle, lifting the plant as you dig. Now lift the plant and the root ball out of the ground. To divide the plant, you can use a knife or your shovel, and in some cases you may want to rinse the root ball off, removing as much of the soil as you can so that you can tease out individual plants. To replant your plants, dig a hole wider than the root ball. Depending on your native soil, you may want to amend the soil with a 20 to 30% organic matter, such as compost, some soil conditioner, or composted manure. We recommend watering with good starter fertilizer, such as Bonide's Root and Grow. In addition to fertilizer, this product has a root stimulator to encourage more root growth. And finally, mulch around your plants to prevent weed growth and to help maintain soil moisture. Thank you for watching, and make sure you visit your local Ace Hardware and talk to their lawn and garden experts. Subscribe to our channel for up-to-date videos, and comment with questions or any suggestions for future videos you'd like to see. Thank you again, and we'll see you in the Garden Center.